In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use templates in monday.com so you can quickly set up projects, organize tasks, and save time on repetitive work. First, sign in to your monday.com account and open your workspace. Once you're on the dashboard, click the Add New button and select Templates from the available options. Next, browse through the template library. You'll find templates for project management, task tracking, marketing campaigns, employee onboarding, and many other workflows. Choose a template that fits your needs and click Use Template. Monday.com will automatically create a new board with pre-built groups, columns, and example items to help you get started. Once the board is created, review the layout and customize it for your workflow. You can rename columns, update statuses, add team members, and edit tasks to match your project requirements. If you need additional information, you can add new columns for budgets, deadlines, priorities, clients, or any other details that are important to your team. After customizing the board, save it and start using it for your project. If you create a setup that you'll use regularly, you can save it as your own template or duplicate the board whenever you start a new project. To make your workflow even more efficient, consider adding automations. You can automatically assign tasks, send notifications, update statuses, or create recurring items based on your team's needs. Once everything is configured, your template is ready to help streamline your work and keep your projects organized. That's it. You've successfully learned how to use templates in monday.com. Thanks for watching.